Okay, so guys, this is my fidget spinner collection. It's not that big of a one, but it's still pretty big. So we'll just go from zoop all the way down, like that way. So let's go. This isn't in any specific order, so it doesn't really matter how it goes. So let's start off with this guy. This one is pretty nice. The caps are glued on, though, definitely. It spins pretty well. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Wait on that tripod, kind of. Scissors. Oh my god, freaking focus. Okay, yeah, you can't really see them all, but maybe that one over. Okay, now you can see them all. This one spins pretty well. Just an American one. I will put those back in my case. I'll show you guys that after I'm done showing you all these. This one is... I have another one like this. I don't know what happened to it. But the things actually come off the prongs here. So yeah, there's that one. Then we'll go with this guy. Spins pretty well, definitely. You can like even see the bearings in this one. That's without taking the thing off. Here, let me try to take the caps off. Oh my god, that's hard. Those things are like glued on there almost. No, that's not coming off, I don't think. No, not coming off, but yeah, anyways, there's that one. Then we'll go with this one. My friends call this one a Ragnarok, so it looks like the Ragnarok skin in Fortnite. From Tier 100, Season 5 Battle Pass. But now it's Season 6, so that's not good. I do play Fortnite, just so you know. Go check out those videos. This one does not spin very well, but it's actually kind of fun to play with. Like the gears on it. See this, the all spinner when you spin the one? Yeah, I think the caps on this is pretty easy to pop off. Okay, well actually I'm not going to pop off any caps right now. I'll do that later once we're done with this right here for right now. This one is a pretty popular spinner. That's pretty nice. This one is my favorite. I love this one. My friends call it the cube from Fortnite, but now it's inside float. No, it's not. It's cracking, but whatever. It's not. This one hasn't cracked yet. This one's pretty cool. It's quick. And it's actually also a dice at the same time. See, there's a 2, 3, 6, 5. Okay, we'll do 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yeah, that one's pretty cool. And we got this one. This one's pretty popular too, also. I also have another one of these. It works better on flat ground, but yeah, if you turn it like that, oh my god. Do you have to get in the way of everything, cat? Watch out, cat. Oh my god. That is like a big old furball cat. Everybody say hi, furball. Okay. This is this one. Oh my god, it fell over. There's that one. That one's horrible. This one isn't really a fidget spinner, it's just fidgety. I also have a fidget cube. Yeah, it's like 2 chain links off a bicycle. See that? Oh no, I can't see it again. See, it's like 2 chain links on a bicycle. I got a tiny little rubber band. It's pretty fun to fidget around with. That's the case right here. It's pretty nice. And I'll show you guys what it's like putting them back in there. Okay, we have 6. Okay, it's only been 6 minute video so far, but whatever. Who cares? Okay, so this is where I put up my big ones, tinier ones, and my. I don't really know. You'll see. So, got America. America. Then let's do this guy. No, not that one. We'll do Ragnarok. And the cube. Then I'll usually put my 5 prong in here. Oh yeah, you guys gotta see that. The green one on there actually lights up in the night. Glow in the dark. Then the gear one, pretty crappy. Put that one over here. Like this video if your cat gets in the way of everything. So put double in there. And I put this guy in there. There you go. Is that all? Oh no, I might be missing one. Cat, you on one? Nope, that's all of them. Let's put it away, guys. Okay, I'll show you guys how to put the display, and then I'll walk you guys up from there. So you got that one first, then this one, this one. There you go. Oh, okay. If you guys haven't subscribed already, go make sure you do that. Like the video, and I'll see you guys. Cat, move.